Some of you told me that I look like Nana from Unis. So we're going to recreate this look from her. That's my favorite photo of Nana. For all of the concept photos that she has done, this is my favorite photo of her. So, join me!
The three key points to consider when trying to recreate this look is to have eyebrows with lighter shade, soft pink blush, and a matte peachy lip. Just like any makeup, you need to prep your face. Nana's face is in between dewy and matte. So I am going to moisturize first before I put on sunscreen, foundation, and top it off with a blurring powder. This is my favorite powder as it does not dry your skin and it blurs your imperfections. Did you know that Miniso has the best eyebrow pencils out there? This, for example, is my go-to when I am in a hurry. It is the perfect shade for my brows, not chalky, plus this is too slim to draw fake brow hairs. Looking at Nana's eyebrows, she has at least 2-tone lighter shade than her actual hair, so we are going to try to mimic that. I am going to use my brow tint gel that is light brown. Then I'm going to draw over brow hairs with this eyebrow liner to give back the definition of hairs. What I like about this look of Nana is the fact that it actually showed off her charms, because when I saw her in person, face close, I thought to myself, wow, the camera does not give her beauty enough justice. She's far too beautiful in person. This blush from Sour Nose also gives out a blurring effect on my cheeks. It is also a soft pink, not too harsh, and does not give off blush blindness look, if you know what I mean. In here, I am using the same brow liner to create an egggill. Please blend this with a Q-tip and not like what I did here, because you might have an accident. And I'm going to line my lower lash line with this also. A rule that I have lived over these years is before adding on a matte lipstick, you have to moisturize your lips with a serum. My favorite matte lipstick of all time is from Peri Para, and I just found out that my bangs is growing longer than I should have wanted, so I took the opportunity to cut it off. Well, it's not noticeable. You can just always hide it. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't you wanna be like